Hello students, teachers, parents, history nerds. Hello everybody and welcome to Nutshelled History, where we lay out the facts, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We continue with our Early America series by looking at 19th century American arts and literature. Check the description down below for a fill-in-the-blanks worksheet that goes along with this video. I just ask that you like and subscribe. I apologize in advance for any mispronunciations. I do my best. Okay, let's go. After 1820, artists began to create a distinctly American style. They focused on the landscapes around them or on the daily lives of Americans. The Hudson River School, a group of artists, sought to stir emotion by reproducing the beauty and power of nature. John James Audubon traveled the country painting America's birds and mammals. Writers also began to focus on American topics. Among the great poets of the time were Henry Wadsworth Longfellow, John Greenleaf Whittier, and Francis Watkins Harper. Walt Whitman celebrated the democratic American spirit. Emily Dickinson published few poems during her lifetime, but is now considered one of America's great poets. Novelists Herman Melville, Nathaniel Hawthorne, and Edgar Allan Poe explored psychological themes and extreme emotions. Women writers, including Louisa May Alcott, flourished during this time. American music also began to develop its own identity. A wide variety of new songs emerged. The era's most popular songwriter was Stephen Foster. Many of his tunes, such as Dixie, are still familiar today. African Americans created new, distinctly American forms of music that combined African and European influences. In New England, a group of writers called the Transcendentalists developed. They believed that the most important truths transcended or went beyond reason. The writings and lectures of Ralph Waldo Emerson reflected transcendentalism. Emerson stressed individualism, or the unique importance of the individual. He influenced Henry David Thoreau, another important writer and thinker. In his book Walden, Thoreau urged people to live simply and close to nature. He also encouraged civil disobedience, the idea that people should disobey unjust laws if their consciences demanded it. My conscience now demands a recap. After 1820, American culture hit its creative stride, with painters, poets, and philosophers giving Uncle Sam his own artsy vibe. The Hudson River School painted nature so majestically you'd think trees paid them to look good, while John James Audubon turned birdwatching into an art form. Writers like Whitman and Dickinson dived deep into the American spirit, though Dickinson mostly stayed indoors. Meanwhile, Melville, Hawthorne, and Poe explored emotions so extreme they'd make a soap opera blush. Over in music, Stephen Foster's tunes became instant classics, and African Americans blended African and European influences into groundbreaking sounds. The Transcendentalists, led by Emerson and Thoreau, encouraged everyone to live simply, embrace individuality, and politely tell unjust laws to take a hike. There you have it, folks. That is arts and literature nutshelled. Thanks for stopping by Nutshelled History. I ask that you like and subscribe. Please don't practice civil disobedience when it comes to that. Which number subscriber were you? Let us know in the comments down below. See y'all next time on Nutshelled History.